In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a legend to a graph in Microsoft Excel. Whether you're a student, a professional presenting data, or just someone looking to better your Excel skills, this guide can make your charts more understandable at a glance, enhancing your ability to communicate data effectively. Let's dive straight into Excel and get started. First things first, make sure you have Microsoft Excel open on your computer. Once you see your spreadsheet and have your graph ready, go ahead and click directly on your chart to select it. This is a crucial initial step because selecting your chart correctly will help trigger a few essential buttons that you need. You'll notice three small icons appearing on the right side of your graph. These include chart elements, which is conveniently represented by a green plus sign, chart styles shown with a paintbrush, and chart filters indicated by a funnel. For the purpose of adding a legend, you want to focus on the chart elements button. So go ahead and click on that green plus sign. A menu will appear presenting several options to enhance your chart. Among these options, you'll see a checkbox labeled Legend. Simply check that box and almost like magic, a legend will appear on your chart. By default, Excel places this legend on the right-hand side of your graph. But what if this position doesn't quite fit your visual needs or preferences? Not to worry, Excel gives you the flexibility to position the legend where it best suits your presentation. Keep that Chart Elements menu open because you'll need to use it to change the legend's position. Hover your mouse over the word Legend in the Chart Elements list, and you'll see a small arrow pop up next to it. Click on this arrow for further options. Now, you're provided with multiple choices, allowing you to place the legend on the right, top, left, bottom, or even overlay it to the right of your graph. Pick the location that aligns with your data presentation goals and personal style. And that's it. You've successfully added a legend to your graph in Microsoft Excel. It's a simple yet highly effective way of ensuring that whoever views your chart can easily understand what each data series represents. A clear graph with a well-placed legend can make all the difference when you're sharing information. In this quick tutorial, we've covered how to add and adjust the position of a legend in your Excel chart, making your data presentation clearer and more professional. We hope you found this guide helpful and that you're now more confident in enhancing your graphs using Excel. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make your data work for you. Thanks for watching.